I built this home. I've been diligent about trying to take care of the property. About a year and a half ago, I did some investigation and I realized that the Roof Maxx product was a small percentage of cost of replacing the roof. They came out, they did a roof assessment, made a determination that my roof was in pretty good shape, be in a lot better shape, assuming that I had the Roof Maxx done and extended the life. We did the application. I'm completely satisfied with the condition of the roof and the appearance of the roof. Over about the last 6 months to a year, we were notified as property owners that our insurance said that it was too old and they weren't going to insure me, and I questioned their ability to make that judgment call. Their determination was made based on calendar, not upon condition. I went back to Roof Maxx and they sent an individual out here to do a comprehensive test. Test was done, showed that my roof was in good shape and did have a substantial life left. I found my way to the head of the underwriting division for the insurance company, explained my circumstance. He had, I guess, enlightened himself by reviewing the documents that were sent. He expressed confidence in the Roof Maxx product. He was very cognizant of the fact that Roof Maxx was in business, and he was also well aware of the product and what it represented, and that they would make a decision based on the capabilities of the product. He made a call, and the call was, we feel very comfortable with the fact that we should continue to insure this property. So basically, in conclusion, I have insurance, I have a roof that should perform, and if everything goes as planned, I will face the roof exchange at the time that it should be done, not at the time that someone decided it should be done. This is a product that works and a product that's worthwhile to make the investment in.